Hello everyone and welcome again to $2 Tuesday. So this is the second $2 Tuesday of the month. There's only 2 in each month I think at the moment. I'm not sure about March, but for now we are doing $2 Tuesdays a month. So yeah, this one is the Forever Stationery kit. So here's a closer look at those boxes. There is like a double box, but here are the other full boxes in this kit here. But then we have all the icons and any script sticker you might need. So there's a whole bunch of those, mini checklists, a sidebar sticker, your weekend banner and everything. And then we have the normal like checklists here, and of course all of your functional boxes for sidebars. Sometimes I use these to layer anything that I need, or as a header type of thing. That way I can write these in like all these little like skinny ones. And then we have the deco sheet with your row washi headers and then extra boxes, as well as the stickers that I like to use to layer and pinpoint certain things in my planner, plus your flags and your extra sidebar sticker here, and another weekend banner. And then lastly, we have all of the washi and date header sheet with matching washi and date headers for this one. And that is $2 Tuesday for today. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. $2 Tuesday will be up through Thursday on the website. In case you miss it on the website, it will be on Etsy through next Tuesday. So just letting you guys know that, make sure you subscribe for more of the new releases. There will be a new release on Friday, so make sure you check that. But that is it for $2 Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.